Have you ever wondered what the inside of your engine looks like? And have you ever heard terms like crankshaft or piston or rod bearing? Well, I'm going to try to help you understand that a little bit today. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where craftsmanship and compassion come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, I have three basic parts here. This is a crankshaft. This is a piston and rod assembly. And this is what's called a rod bearing. It's two pieces and it's basically a bushing. So the way this works is the crankshaft is like the crankshaft on your bicycle. When you push on the pedals, you're cranking around. And this is exactly what happens here, is these rods push on this and crank your crankshaft around, which ultimately drives your wheels. So the piston is kind of like the muscle up in the top of your leg, and this part is like your knee. And so when it runs, it pushes down on that. And then the bearing actually protects those two parts, the piston rod and the crankshaft, from rubbing together. Now, the reason we have this engine apart is because the rod bearing spun, if you've ever heard the term of a spun rod bearing. And it's not supposed to spin in there. And if you can see in the video, I don't know if you can or not, but it's very scored up. The reason for that is a lack of lubrication. So one of two things happened. Over time, the engine oil got low, and so it lost some pressure, or they did not change the oil frequently enough and it didn't get good lubrication. The engine oil to an engine is basically like blood to you. If you lose blood pressure, you die. If you lose oil pressure, an engine dies. So that's why it's very important to change your oil frequently and also to check it in between oil changes. So I hope this information has been good for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.